Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this nobody knows runaway aura filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. There's music also in this filter, but I can't play the music here because it might be a copyright strike. So anyway, to get this effect, visit the creator profile. Rosa is the creator of this effect. You can follow her to unlock all her filter to your Instagram camera tray. She is having some awesome filter. So check in her filter gallery, and this is the filter, runaway aura. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the filter like this, then what you can do, okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect link. Just tap on the effect link and open it with Instagram. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.